अगर ऐसा काम हमें मिल जाए तो हमें इंटरेस्ट आता है बहुत। गाड़ी चलाने में खुद गाड़ी चलाने का बहुत शौक है।
क्या कर
हम अमेज़न में डिलीवरी बॉय।
डिलीवरी बॉय? अरे वाह, स्लो चलाओ।
Hey guys, greetings after a long time. So for this ride we have planned to go to Kedarnath और ये प्लान सिर्फ 2 दिनों में हुआ है. Actually we were supposed to go to South India but due to rains in November it got cancelled. So our plan for now is to travel non-stop till Sonprayag, which is the point our bikes can take us. That is 2340 kilometers and from there we go walking to Kedarnath temple.
Welcome. This is Dipraj, Shamsa Amay Baab.
So at 12 am we had our dinner at Belgaum and without a stop we reached Pune early morning where we slept for 3 hours and thanks to these guys for letting us take a rest in their apartment. Entering into no expectations, no promises, no stress zone is what makes us enjoy the ride.
It's day 2 and the time is 3:36 p.m. and we are come here for halt. Direct where is that? Sonprayag. It is showing 1,700 kilometers from here. One day, 11 hours it will take. One day, 11 hours.
या गावचं नाव
हे नांदूर शिंगोटे.
नांदूर शिंगोडी, महाराष्ट्र. 115 रुपये किलो. The time is 5:34 and 1000 kilometers are remaining. 1020 hours it is showing.
Time is 6:02 and we are on Dhule highway. Come to fix the top wind thing over here.
So at 10 p.m. we were in Madhya Pradesh. Our stomachs were craving for non-veg, but unfortunately we had to settle for veg food. After the dinner we were sleepy, so we took a khatia from the restaurant and slept for 4 hours and back on the road.
The time is 3:30 and we are set to go. The time now is 5:44 and we are cutting kilometers like anything. Smooth road. In 1 minute, 1 kilometer we are traveling. नीद पुरी पडली म्हणून पुढे पुश करपा बरं मेळ्ळें रे
ने हमको बचा लिया.
So just as the sun was rising, we stopped for a light breakfast. And just after you feed something in your stomach, you feel sleepy. But as we saw the road sign of Agra showing us 577 kilometers, we got charged up. And back to sleep again.
Time is 1. We are 500 kilometers away from Agra. A bit sleepy. So halt घेतला. Okay हा मग.
I did my quota few hours back. Now it's Amay's turn.
Had conversation with the locals on farming and various topics in Madhya Pradesh. While moving out of MP, we had our dinner and back again it was veg. Cause everywhere you go to the north side, you will find veg restaurants everywhere. And just when we crossed Madhya Pradesh, we met these lovely people back from Goa and goes to see that they were also on their way to Kedarnath. After that, we found a place to sleep for a bit. But just then, I started getting these severe pains in my back.
The time is 3:22. Sonprayag is 850 kilometers, I guess. I got a severe back pain and our Dipraj Bab had got a spray for my back. I'm feeling a little bit okay now. Good to go. just took a halt over here. 71 kilometers. We need to cover Agra and then Delhi and then leave for Kedarnath. It is 14 hours, 42 minutes, 700 kilometers. News we listen ki there is pollution. Yes, there is lots and lots of pollution. Just entered Agra, Agra, and goes to see there is like fog everywhere. Okay,
Not Taj, but there is no Taj.
we are not going to Taj Mahal right now. We are directly moving ahead to Kedarnath.
Yamuna Expressway is a 6-lane and 165 kilometers long access controlled expressway. And yes, bikes do have to pay the toll fees. There are many stops on the way for petrol and canteen where you can take a rest.
Oh, Dipraj!
And just as we entered Delhi, we got our bikes to Royal Enfield showroom for mild checkup.
Amay Bab is in tension.
Yeah, no tension.
No tension?
We have two options.
And just as we were about to enter Meerut in UP, Amay's tire got punctured. But as we were prepared with puncture kit, a new tube and an air pressure machine, we were saved.
Start karo.
And guys, please do be careful for petrol scams in UP.
At the petrol pump, if you say full, they'll put 300. उनका कुछ setting रहता है, वो setting पे 300 डाल के 100 rupees fill कर देंगे. वो बाद में बोलेंगे आपने full बोला था, मुझे सुना है they have 300. Okay, then वो जो full करेंगे ना, that is the actual cost which goes inside your petrol tank. And some people started following us in the night while we were traveling. वो हमें पता चला कि cause it was the third time we were like about to get scammed or something. So वो हमें पता चला वो that we are tried to avoid. And the biggest scam is my stomach and my back got f***ed up. In the restaurant only there was a doctor. That doctor gave me an injection of something. Thanks to Amay and Dipraj, they were there and that is the reason I got saved. The climate is 20 degrees Celsius over here right now. It was showing 17 to 18 degrees, but as you can see now, it is showing 20. In Uttarakhand, the petrol is 105, as same as Goa's. I think Goa's is 106 rupees, but here it's 105. Trying my first momos ever. The time is 5:21 and we are at a petrol pump in Dev Prayag. I don't know if there is any petrol pump way ahead, but we are filling our petrols now here. I think it is approximately 150 or 124 kilometers from Son Prayag.
भाई साहब हवा कितने का?
फ्री में हवा.
When you are about to reach Son Prayag, the roads are very bad, as you will encounter many potholes and landslides on the way. And yes, I forgot about the cold. It was 10 degrees Celsius and riding in cold was very tough. But we reached Son Prayag at 10:30 PM, safe and sound. Stay tuned for part 2, our journey from Son Prayag till Kedarnath, 26 kilometers walking, hiking. Yeah.
अरे